Yeah, they should say in Ermine City. They should say in Ermine City. Yeah, the G on the side. Hidden. So yeah, finally we get to go by the beach. Yeah, so finally we get to go by the beach. Yeah, Jewel and wife, they're walking already. Jewel, when you you'll say hello.
Hello.
Well, when you reach down there, you will say hello. Yeah, Richard. You lock it, Dobby? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so, yesterday was a kind of day in the history of our family. We lost Mama on the 1st of June, and yesterday her body was laid to rest. May she continue to rest in peace. Of course, strength and blessings to all Sealies and descendants in St. Lucia and across the world. Yeah, because seeds spread far. They spread far. Here in the Caribbean, you have them in the US, the UK, other countries I may not know. Yeah, if you want history, I really want to give you family history. We have people in the family for that, and hopefully we have records. I think records were being taken throughout the past week. And we have everybody there. Everybody's here. They're ready for us. Yeah, the man himself, Jace.
Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Right, so today I'm giving Kilani my YouTube channel. So today's her channel. What do you tell them?
I want to tell them to go to the beach. I go to the beach.
You going to the beach?
Yes, guys.
Okay, so they'll see more about you later.
Guys, I will go to the beach. I will see you later. What we go to?
Kilani, we have talk business.
No!
So I left Kilani. Kilani, we go by the beach?
No.
So where you going, Kilani?
My cousin.
By your cousins? What's your cousin's name? What's your cousin's name? The children?
The children.
Oh, okay. Well, we work with that. Don't know already.
Everyone in this life got a dream. Everybody wanna be somebody. And everyone in this life got a passion that they just wanna live out. Everyone in this life got a purpose set in their heart by the Almighty. And everyone in this life got a purpose. Everyone must live it out. When nobody never did believe in me, me put my trust in the Almighty. Him and the one who give me the vision and dreams. Make me tell you about me. When the resources good and be seen, Father God say free prepare and pray. Him say fi believe that he'll make a way. Oh yeah. Everybody wants to live. Everybody wants to live. Everybody wanna live their dreams out. Everybody wanna live their dreams out. And everybody got to live. Everybody got to live. Everybody got to live on purpose. Everybody got to live on purpose. Yeah. Put my heart and all in a this coming. Know me have to make it out. No matter how the system set, no matter how them try, just fi keep I down. Most I got them at the boss, and I will give me the forward in this year now. Make me tell you about me. When nobody never did believe in me, me put my trust in the Almighty. Him and the one who give me the vision and dreams. Make me tell you about me. When the resources good and be seen, Father God say free prepare and pray. Him say fi believe that he'll make a way. Oh yeah. Everybody wants to live. Everybody wants to live. Everybody wanna live their dreams out. Everybody wanna live their dreams out. And everybody got to live. Everybody
in UK. I was out for a couple of years. I'm back.
my God.
Clown can't sleep. Let me train up in front there.
What?
What's happening?
Chuchu,
Huh?
where you was?
Hiding.
Huh?
I TubeBuddy hiding.
You was on the beach?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yes.
What you do today?
I did do that.
You dive and you're swimming.
Yes.
You and who?
Mommy and Wawa.
Mommy and Joshua? You had fun?
Yes.
Nice.
I had fun.
This is Jace. Jace, you had fun?
Yes. On the max.
No.
Hey, no running. Joshua, you had fun today? What you was doing today? What you doing on the beach today?
I swim.
Watch me. What you was doing today?
I swim.
When last you swim? You miss your pool in Trinidad?
No.
You don't miss a pool? You miss the beach in Trinidad?
No.
No? Give me a bonks. You miss the beach in Trinidad?
No.
Huh?
No.
Alright, give me a bonks too.
I miss the bacon shack.
Yeah, beach and bacon shack, no bacon shack, it don't really make sense. Yeah. But we had substitute bacon shack. Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
We had chicken back. So guys, we live in the beach, we didn't get much footage, but we're going outside, so we go get footage from outside. They say when you're having fun, time flies. But the plan was to bathe first, then go back and shoot the children and them. And that didn't work out. As we there, they tell us, well, they close at 5 o'clock. So if you come in on a Sunday, 5 o'clock is lock off time. Are you? Yeah guys, sorry, but I had to do this. The truth is, we didn't really get footage from outside. We had too much fun. Well, I got 1-2 things, but it wasn't, it didn't come out good. It didn't come out good, right? But really and truly, it was a fun time at Pigeon Island and Pigeon Point, because we went Pigeon Island first and, well, still Pigeon Island. Yeah, to me, from the Plaza Causeway is Pigeon Island. So, Causeway. Yeah. So, yeah, we had fun. It was a nice family get together. More family came when we were outside. Because when we were inside, it was just my father's family and Morris and Quack, Ralph. And then when we came outside, the extended family came. So, it was, who came? Gemma, Tracy, Samantha, Chris, who was Uncle Steve, Martinique, Auntie Dana, Jenny, Dax, aka Dax, big up Jenny. You know, Jenny had everything in her vehicle. So we just feeling for that, and Jenny go inside, so she got the nickname Dax. Yeah, so that's Renee said, by the way. Alright, Renee's twinkle your fingers. I do too. Alright. Yeah, so next time we go by the beach, we in San Lucia, we are going nowhere. We in San Lucia, so next time I go by the beach, I will do a proper vlog, a beach vlog, to show, you know, even me underwater, because it's possible now.
Blessings and more blessings.
Blessings and more blessings. So next time we go underwater, we go in for a little dive, and I'll take you with me. Right? So guys, until next time, thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Respect and manners. See you in the next one. Tell them bye, Juju.
Bye.
Bye, Germine, to all the fans.
Your accent, but like, your accent come with this device. Alright, later.